स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास का हिस्ट्री का 5th चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं। इसमें पहले हम शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, उसके बाद लॉन्ग देखेंगे, ठीक है। व्हेन डिड द बिगेस्ट रिवोल्ट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश टेक प्लेस? इन 1857। फ्रॉम वेयर डिड द इंडियन रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 स्टार्ट? फ्रॉम मेरठ। व्हाट वाज द इमीडिएट कॉज ऑफ रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857? द cartridge smeared with fat as grease. When did the British occupy Jhansi? In 1854. Mention any one reasons of discontent among the Indian against the British. Abolition of the custom of sati. Give any reasons of discontent among the soldiers against the British. आंसर आएगा to go abroad for warfare. नेक्स्ट देखिए, who was proclaimed as Emperor of India at the advent of revolt of 1857. इसमें आएगा बहादुर शाह जफर। नेक्स्ट हमारा देखिए, who was the first martyrs of the revolt of 1857? मंगल पांडे। Who led the revolt of 1857 at Kanpur? Nana Sahib led the revolt of 1857 at Kanpur. Where did Rani Lakshmibai breathe her last? Rani Lakshmibai breathed her last fighting in the field of Gwalior. How did the Lake of Common Aim was responsible for the failure of the revolt? The Muslims wanted Bahadur Shah Jafar to install as emperor, while the Hindus wanted to establish the Maratha rule. There was Lake of Common Aim. What was the demand of Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi that was refused by the British? Rani Lakshmibai had no sons who could become successor to the throne. She adopted a son and wanted to the company to recognize her adopted son as the heir to the kingdom after the death of her husband. But this demand of Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi was refused by the British. Next one देखिए, what did the Britishers do to protect the interest of those who were converted to Christianity? The British did a lot to protect the interest of those who were converted to Christianity. In 1850, a new law was passed to make conversions to Christianity easier. This law allowed an Indian who had converted to Christianity to inherit the property of his ancestors. They were given more facilities as compared to other Indians as well. Next देखिए, what objections did the Sepoy have to new cartridge that they were asked to use? In 1856 AD, Indian soldiers were given grazed cartridges which were to be beaten with one's teeth before they could be fired. It was suspected that these cartridges were coated with the fat of cows and pigs. This enraged the Hindus and Muslim soldiers in the Indian army. Indian soldiers were angry over it and they refused to use these cartridges. It also became the immediate cause of revolt of 1857 AD. How did the last Mughal emperor live the last year of his life? The last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar was captured and tried to the court. He was sentenced to life imprisonment. He and his wife Begum Jinat Mahal were sent to prisons in Rangoon. In October 1858, Bahadur Shah Jafar died in the Rangoon jail in November 1862. How did the British succeed in securing the submissions of the landowners of Awadh? The British tried to win back the loyalty of the peoples in every possible manner. They announced reward that loyal landholders would be allowed to continue to enjoy their hereditary rights over their lands. Those who had rebelled were told that if they would submit to the British and they had not killed any white peoples, then they would remain safe and their claims and rights to land would not be denied. In this way, the British succeeded in securing the submissions of the landowners of Awadh. Next देखिए, in what ways did the British change their policies as a result of the rebellion of 1857? In the following ways, the British changed their policies as a result of rebellion of 1857. The power of the East India Company were passed to British Crown by a law. A member of the British cabinet was appointed Secretary of State for India and was made responsible for all matters related to the governance of India. All the ruling chiefs of the country were assured that their territory would be annexed into the British Empire. They were also allowed to pass on their kingdom to their heir, even to adopt son. Third one, proportion of Indian soldiers in the army was reduced and the number of European soldiers was increased. It was decided to recruit Gorkhas, Sikh and Pathans in the army instead of recruiting soldiers from Bihar, Awadh, Central India and South India. Fourth one, the British started treating Muslims with suspicion and hostility. The land and property of Muslims was confiscated on a large scale. Fifth one, the British made certain policies to protect interest of landlords and zamindars. They were also given security of rights over their land. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.